Okay.
For 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
He will stay at France. It costs $2,000.
Okay. Very good.
Так, uh, he move как?
Uh-huh.
He move on the jeep.
Okay.
Safari is very expensive place.
Which country is he going?
To South Africa.
Okay, very good. Yeah, you heard, you understood everything. Yeah. Where will they sleep?
Where?
Where will he stay?
At friend.
At friend. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you.